Hey guys, how's it going? I was gonna do a live, but I think I decided I'm just gonna do a quick video for you guys just to go over today's trade, more so on how I came up with this resistance line. So when I was on this morning, I was on the 4 hour, and I really didn't see a whole lot because really it was just this kind of slow grind. Oh, sorry, the 4 hour like overnight did nothing, right? So if you see from here to here, nothing. These four candles, really not a lot, other than this was kind of like a sweep candle, but really nothing. Go down to the 1 hour. Again, there's really not a whole lot overnight. If you're looking, you know, come up, just chop, come down, come back up. There's nothing here. It's just chopping back and forth essentially, right? And then obviously this was your 9:30 news candle on the hourly. Once I seen that, basically I zoom out and I just kind of figure like where has price struggled at, right? We go back, where has price struggled? So I always look at these areas, right? This is where I kind of get the support from. I see, okay, we came up, we couldn't continue. We came up, couldn't continue, came up, couldn't continue, came up, and then we continued. Now it's holding up as support, and we're still holding up as support. Like this here obviously failed. We came below it, but there's no gap. There's really no gap below it. So that's still a fail to go lower. So it's technically still holding, and it's holding here, and it's still holding as support, right? So, and then we've seen the data. And then if you look on ES, this is what kind of really gave me more confidence, because this from yesterday's high, this red candle right here, and then the data wick high right here made perfect equal highs. So I'm like, okay, there's some serious resistance here. I'm interested. And then we went over, if you go back over to NQ, you can kind of see like this, we came up, we struggled to go higher here. So I'm like, okay, this is, and even up here, these two big, like this here is just a fake out, really, realistically, manipulation. But this is really where it came back up and retested and couldn't continue higher. So this is where price struggled. All right. So this is where, and then at the time, right, this is the data high here, right here. And then over here, this is where it struggled. So it's not super clear. And I even said that, right? I said that it's not as clean as I would like it to be, but there's still some resistance here. So that was the trade idea. I wanted a reaction off of this resistance, and so let's go down to the actual trade. 15-minute. This is my not new strategy. It's not new at all, actually, but it's, you guys know that I've been doing the targets for a little bit now, right? In the hourly, the 4 hour and the 15-minute targets. You guys should know that by now. But there's really been no model how to trade it. So this is kind of like the safest model that I have been seeing time and time again, just playing the red to green or the green to red on the 15-minute. So at market open, this candle right here was leading up to market open, and we closed just above. So I would that would be a pretty clean hold. Like, it's never going to be perfect. And then we pumped up. So this candle was green, right? We came up, and then as soon as we flipped red, it kind of stuttered here for a minute, and then it started pushing down, and that's where I entered. So basically that's the trade. And where was my target? The previous candle body low. Just, if you, now that I say this, you guys will probably be looking at this. If you come down and you just target the previous candle on the 15-minute, the body low or high, depending on which way you're playing, it almost always hits it. Not always, but almost always hits it. and then it goes in the direction that it wants. Like this could be the rebalance, and then it'll continue back higher, right? Or in this case, we came down and we basically took the we retested this area, right? Sorry, we retested this area here, obviously. But yeah, that was I could have doubled my P&L by holding, but the plan was just to target this body low, the previous candle. So that's the trade, guys. I hope that helps. Again, if there's any questions, feel free to reach out anytime. And of course, I will be doing the lives every Tuesday night. I might have to start pushing those a little later. I'm just getting swamped at work right now. It's just the busy season in the construction industry right now, and I'm just getting gassed. So I apologize for that, but I will be. I'm gonna keep doing them. This Tuesday I was sick, and I'm gonna do these little recordings maybe daily because I can do them just whenever I get a free minute. But I do like chatting with you guys a lot on my Tuesday nights, so I don't want to give those up. But I hope this helped you guys. I'm going to keep doing these hopefully daily. And yeah, one trade a day, guys. That's all you need. That was 21 points booked today. That was actually I was pretty happy with that. It was only $85, but I was positioned properly, right? Brand new account. There's no way I'm going to put 5 or 10 mini or micros on. Because honestly, the money doesn't matter. I'm just focused on my win rate. I'm focused on basically my win rate, to be honest, guys. That's really the only thing I care about right now, is just coming up with a game plan first thing in the morning, and then just sticking to that game plan, executing it. Win or loss, it doesn't matter. Just that one trade a day, as long as it's part of my game plan in the morning. I can't be mad at taking a loss or a win, right? So I'm going to be happy regardless. So that's the key. I want to pound that into you guys. That's the whole point of this, is to show you guys, and of course myself, we're all learning together. So catch you on the next one. Take care.